Hey folks, this video covers basic drawing techniques in Photoshop. So when watching this video, make sure you steal these ideas and only the ones that work for you, because really there are a million different ways to do this stuff. So anyways, I'm currently doing a rough sketch on a single layer. I'm not really being precious with the line work. I just want to communicate energy and I want to get something down on the paper. In the same way that you move a sheet of paper around when drawing, you can zoom in and out and rotate while you draw digitally. To move the picture around, you basically press and hold the space bar on your keyboard, and then you use your pen to drag the image across the screen. If you want to zoom in, just do a CTRL+, and if you want to zoom out, repeatedly CTRL- on the keyboard. Give this a try. Really, the whole idea is you want to just move stuff around and get comfortable as you draw so you could focus on good line quality. Alright, so here's another helpful tip. Flipping the canvas back and forth when you draw helps you spot drawing errors and proportion issues really quickly. In order to set up a shortcut like this in Photoshop, just go to the Window menu and press on the Actions button. Hit the plus sign to add a new action. Go ahead and name it something that makes sense. And then next you're going to hit the record button and follow all the steps needed to get you to flip the canvas. In this case, I'm going to just go to the Image menu, Image Rotation, and flip Canvas Horizontal. When done, just hit the Stop button in the Actions menu and then you can just try it out. Note that I'm pressing the F5 function key at the top of my keyboard just to test this out. Alright, here's another tip. I like using the Move tool to make adjustments while I'm sketching. I use the shortcut V to activate the Move tool, and I also make sure that I've enabled the Show Transform Control button. Here's a little picture of it. Holding the Shift button while dragging your sketch will help you shrink in one specific direction. If you hold the Control key, you can skew the image by pulling just one of the corners. This is a really handy tool when you draw some kind of a pose because it's easy to go and get it to shrink in perspective. Alright, so I've got one more for you. I recommend drawing on different layers. Note that I have the opacity turned down so it's easy to differentiate between the layers. In this case, I'm just going to draw in all of the dragon scales as they shrink in perspective. However, I'm drawing very freely. I'm not really worried about making errors, I'm just letting it flow. Later I'll go back and erase the overlapping details, and I don't have to worry about ruining my original line work. At the end, I'll just hold Shift and click on both layers in the Layer menu, and then I'll merge them together by pressing Ctrl-E on the keyboard. Alright, so let's wrap up this video. The zoom and move features are great for drawing accurately and keeping you comfortable while you draw. The Move tool is great for manipulating rough sketches. And finally, just make sure you use those layers in a way that helps you achieve your goals and hopefully save you some time. Alright, do me a favor, go give this stuff a shot. Thanks for watching. Bye.